We've learned how to create a couple get routes, the home page and the about page. The next thing we're going to look at is how to process a post request. This can be done through our routing, and it's really important to look at how to do this since we're going to do this when we're processing post requests, especially when we're doing forms. To demonstrate, we're going to create a route contact. And this will show a contact form where we can contact our website owner. Now, we are returning a view contact here. We need to go create that. Resources views, new file, contact.blade.php. Here we create a form and we make sure that the method is a post form and our action is going to be on a contact route. But that's not the same contact route. That will be a different contact route since we're processing it with a post. In Laravel, when you process forms, we need to protect ourselves from cross-site request forgery, and a really easy way to do that is to use the built-in Laravel CSRF field. And that creates a token to make sure that we are the ones that are processing and submitting the form correctly. Let's create a field for our name, and then also the button to submit our form. Oh, and something that would be helpful is a message. Save that. Everything's wired up in our routes. Our contact blade is now created. Let's go see that in action. Here's our contact form. Now, it's not the prettiest thing in the world, but it will get the job done for what we're trying to do. So this form won't go anywhere right now since we haven't created the route to process the post request. We'll do that now. Just like we created the get route, we need to create a post route. And the quick way to do that is on the route, we will call our post. And it's just that easy to change the HTTP verb that we're using. Contact. And then here, let's just DD. And this is to make sure that everything is routed correctly, and this form on the right here will go to this correct route. Click contact, and here we go. We are sent to the post contact route. If we refresh this, we get sent back to the get route since we are getting a new form. Just to make sure that everything is wired correctly and our form is passing through our data as proper variables attached to our HTTP request, my name, my message, and then in our post route, we're just going to DD a call the request and all of the information coming out of that request. Press contact, and here we have the array of all the information in our current contact form. The CSRF token that we created, my name, and my message. We have get routes and post routes, and that's as easy as it is to process a form.